Hi, how are you? You can see that we're going to draw a nice emoji. So already we have drawn a bigger circle here. You can use different types of instruments. So I have used this compass for drawing the circle here. You can also use other instruments which are round in shape and you can have a very nice circle. Now let's start the drawing for basic shapes. For the emojis, we use less lines and which can provide more expressions. So this is the graphical presentations for the two eyes you can see. And also we are going to show that this guy is smiling, which is big teeth showing to us. That's why this is so much presentation. Looks like the shape of a Nike, but if this is upside down, the looks like the half circle. Sometimes you can compare it with a boat, but as you can see the teeth on the top, so there might be another line. The drawing is complete. This is the basic outline. Now we are going to put the color. So let's start the coloring from the left side. As you know, this is a very shortcut, very simple, nice, easy. And this drawing you can start as a beginner to learn the basic skills. You need to draw more nice drawings. We also have different categories in our playlist. If you browse through our channels, you can see so categories are provided in the playlist. If you browse through the playlist, those are the more nice options to see the whole album. Okay. As you can see, the drawing is almost complete. All right. Let's put the dark color for the bottom part of the mouth. As you can see, the inside of the mouth is going to be the darker, and the teeth, for better visibility, you can see it's usually the white, but for better understanding we are going to put more elaboration, little details like I'm doing right now, which can show the different angles for the teeth. And also let's fill up the top part, which is used to show the eye or eyebrow, whatever you can say. Also we are going to fill up this area. All right, little bit shade you can provide here like this. All right, so this is the drawing, very easy, simple and nice emoji for expression of the laughing. You can try at home and you can do the practice. The more you practice, the better is drawing going to be. So browse through our channel, select the playlist and define your own categories, select your own categories, own choices, then you can start learning. Thank you so much. Please subscribe the channel, put the bell icons on to get the updates. Thanks you so much for watching. Have a good day.